teachers and parents, and welcome to Math Unlocked, where I get to offer you strategies for teaching math for grades 3, 4, and 5. My name is Miss McCarthy. I'm the creator of McCarthyMathAcademy.com, and I'm on a mission to make math fun, make it click, and make it stick for you so that you can get out there and support the students that you work with. In today's episode, I'll be breaking down a third grade skill, and it is going to be about subtraction with regrouping. So let's not waste any more time. Let's get to it and let me teach you. So before we get started with the correct way to solve this problem, I want to show you one of the most common mistakes that I see third graders make, okay? And I want to see if you can figure it out, okay? So over here, I'll just put common mistake. It's going to be wrong, y'all. You're going to be like a little detective trying to figure out what it is I'm doing incorrectly. Okay, so just watch me. I feel like I need like circus music. Da, 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 na. Na, 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 na. Okay. Ooh, 1,126 is not the right answer. This is definitely a common mistake that I see third graders make. So what is that mistake? Yeah, it is right here. Students in their head, they think, okay, 2 and 8, I need to take the bigger number. So 8 minus 2 is 6. 7 and 9, 9 is bigger. So 9 minus 7 is 2, and they're getting it incorrect. Okay, they're not even regrouping here. And that's what we need to focus on right now, is that this is wrong, okay, but that it is important to understand that they need to regroup. This is very, very common. So here's what you do. Okay, so, but you know what, before I even get started, I want to make sure that I'm practicing estimating here. So this is about 1,500. This is about 600. So 1,500s minus 600s would be 900s. That is our estimation. Why do we estimate? That way when we get to our difference, the answer, we can compare it to our estimation to determine whether our answer is reasonable, okay? All right, so here's what you do. You gotta first line up your digits in the correct places. So we need the 8 from 598 to go in the ones place, the 9 in the tens place, the 5 in the hundreds place, and then we subtract. I'm actually going to zoom in just a little bit. We're looking at the ones column. 2 minus 8. If we have 2, can we take away 8? We need to regroup. We need to take 1, give 1. We take a 10. We take one of the 10s. That becomes a 6. We give that 10 to the next place. That becomes 12. So now we have 12 minus 8 equals what? Some third graders, they still have a little bit of hard time doing this. So I teach them to pound out and count up to the higher number. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Here we have 6 10s minus 9 10s. We need to regroup. We need to take 1, give 1. Take 100, that becomes 300. Give 100 over here. That now is 16 10s, because 16 10s is the same as 160, really, that we're subtracting there. So 16 minus 9, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. That would be 7. Now, you see me using my fingers, yes. Do we want students to know that 16 minus 9 right away is 7? Sure. Do they come to us with that knowledge? No. So this is a quick strategy to kind of keep your lesson moving. All right, then we have 300s minus 500s. We need to regroup. We need to take 1, give 1. So we take 1,000. Now we have 0 thousands, but we bring that 1,000 over here. So now we have 1,300s minus 500s. We have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. That would be 8. Okay, so the difference is 874, which is really close to that original estimate. This is called the difference. When we add, we're finding the sum. When we're subtracting, we are finding the difference. For this particular problem, it was regrouping all the way across because our top digit was smaller than the bottom digit there. So we had to do a lot of regrouping. You don't always have to do that, and third graders do tend to get tripped up with those zeros. So if you need some more practice with this or more support for you and for your students, I definitely encourage you to stay tuned because I'm about to break down some next steps that you can take for this skill and lots of other third grade skills. So stay tuned. If you found this episode to be helpful. If you did, please let me know by hitting the like button. And if you want to see more, consider subscribing to the channel. It's an easy way to support the content that I bring to you for free on YouTube. If you're a teacher or a parent, especially in Florida, you'll definitely want to check out McCarthyMathAcademy.com. Here is where I offer fast math freebies, including a playlist of fast math-style problems and video lessons to support your teaching. For those ready to dive deeper, check out Taking on the Best, a monthly membership packed with video lessons, student guides, extra practice, error analysis videos, math tasks, mini assessments, and much more, which are all strategically aligned to Florida's best standards. With 3 levels, bronze, silver, and gold, you can choose the support that best fits your needs to promote student growth and skill mastery. Would you like to take Taking on the Best for a test drive? You can sample 1 standard per grade to find the right plan for you. Do that by simply requesting a free trial. And if you're gearing up for the final fast math assessment of the school year, definitely check out Taking on the Fast, a 15-day countdown series with video lessons and fast-style math problems. Start with a sneak peek of day 1, and when you're ready, you can make a one-time purchase. And if you're thinking about the gold plan for Taking on the Best, good news! Taking on the Fast is included in your membership. While many of my followers are in Florida, I know that there are teachers and parents everywhere looking for support. That's why I created McCarthy Math 155 with 155 video lessons for each grade level, 3rd, 4th, and 5th. You can also sign up for a free trial to McCarthy Math 155 to explore it before signing up for a monthly membership. And finally, if you've enjoyed my math music videos on YouTube, you can also jam out to ad-free versions on my website. You can find all the links below, and please feel free to email me with any questions that you have. I can't wait to see you in the next episode. Until then, get out there and make the world a little bit brighter in your own special way. See you next time.